Effect of fertilizers on proximate composition and nutritive quality potential of lettuce, var. Eden, sweet pepper, var. Yellow wonder, and carrot, var. Bahia. By Mumin Abu, Mildred Osequating and Richard Atinpure Atuna. Background: vegetables are diverse in their cultivated, semi-cultivated, and wild states. Generally, all over the world, vegetables are used either as a whole meal or as a complement to the main meal. In Ghana, vegetables constitute an important component of the diet of the people. Purpose: a study was conducted on the effect of single-based fertilizers and compound fertilizers on the nutritive quality potential of lettuce, var. Eden, sweet pepper, var. Yellow wonder, and carrot, var. Bahia. Research methods: this was accomplished following a completely randomized design, CRD, with 4 replications. Lettuce, sweet pepper, and carrot were fertilized using 71 kilograms, 100 kilograms, and 128 kilograms of ammonium sulfate, 20.5% in, 23.4% S, hectare, 350 kilograms of NPK, 15-15-15, hectare, and control no fertilizer application, 81 kilograms, 100 kilograms, and 138 kilograms of 24 June 2012 NPK hectare, 225 kilograms of NPK, 15-15-15, hectare, and control, and on 43 kilograms, 71 kilograms, and 100 kilograms of 10-10-30 NPK hectare, 225 kilograms of NPK, 15-15-15, hectare, and control, respectively. Laboratory studies were conducted to ascertain the nutritive value of lettuce, sweet pepper, and carrot cultivated for the fresh market, as influenced either by a single-based fertilizer or a compound fertilizer. All data were analyzed using the analysis of variance, ANOVA, technique with the GenStat statistical program. Findings: compound fertilizer resulted in high Fe content in lettuce while single-to treatment was in favor of that in carrot and sweet pepper. Single-3 treatment resulted in high Ca content in lettuce and sweet pepper while single-to treatment was in favor of that in carrot. Compound fertilizer resulted in high Mg content in lettuce while single-3 treatment was in favor of that in carrot and sweet pepper. The crude protein content of lettuce, carrot, and sweet pepper was significantly high in the single-based fertilizer treatments. Compound fertilizer treatments recorded high carbohydrate content for lettuce and sweet pepper. All treatments recorded high moisture and high fat content. Conclusion: the study concluded that changes in the mineral content of the different categories of vegetables studied in relation to their response to either single-based fertilizers or compound fertilizers did not show a similar pattern. Limitations: no limitations. Originality value: proximate composition patterns were strikingly dissimilar in all test crops. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.